So I was coming out to the garage and finishing up this project right here, and I just gotta say, I gotta give credit to these lights right here, because this is by far one of the best upgrades I've probably done for the garage, is these lights right here. My lights aren't even on, and it's pretty bright. These things were only 50 to 60 bucks on Amazon, and probably, like I said, one of the best upgrades possible for your garage. Definitely a must-have. Here's with the regular lights on. So, I mean, not much difference. And these don't use any energy. I keep these on in the garage on a timer. Pretty much 7 days a week. They go off at nighttime, but barely any energy because they're just LED strips in a tube pretty much. So, best lights you can get for $60. And I've had these for over a year. So, I just wanted to give these little lights a shout out. There's a link in my description right under here if you guys want to check them out for yourself. Maybe you work in a dark garage. If you've seen some of my previous videos, I worked in a terrible dark dungeon before, so this is luxurious. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and check out these lights if you want some for yourself.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.